what is the most exciting thing that you've watched?
The most exciting thing that I've seen through this is a globular cluster. So the globular clusters, are you familiar with globular clusters?
I know what they look like.
Okay, so they are
detail.
stars that are bound by gravity. So most of them can contain up to 1 million stars. And inside this telescope, especially because this is a triple refractor, it brings out the stars and they look like tiny pinpoints. And you can see really good detail. It almost looks like a diamond, especially the Hercules cluster, M13. And that's what I'm going to be looking at tonight with this telescope. And it looks really cool, and that's one of my favorite things to look at. It also does really well with open clusters like the Beehive cluster, and it just looks like diamonds across your eyepiece.
Oh, wow.
It's very, very beautiful. And the scope performs very well, and a lot of people love looking through it.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Do you come here often?
Yep, I am here every year.
year.
Every year. This is my 4th year doing the Grand Canyon Star
nice.
Party, so I come all the way from Florida.
Oh, wow.
I love it. My favorite event of the year.
Yeah, and you are close to all the rockets that are being sent out?
Yep, I see the rocket launches right from my backyard, so I also I film the rocket launches, I throw them on my social media,
Oh, yeah.
and then I also do this for imaging. So I took 20 different objects last night, so that gives me enough content to last me for a good couple of months that I will share with all of my followers.
So cool. What's your social media?
Astronick, ASTR0NICK.
Oh, nice. Nice.
So on Instagram and YouTube.
Okay, yeah. And where did you get it from?
I got this from Skywatcher.
Okay, and Skywatcher is?
Skywatcher is they distribute telescopes, so they make, there's a lot like this, the Dob that's right behind you is also
This one
Skywatcher.
here?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. The solar telescope that you were just at is also
Yes.
a Skywatcher brand.
Yeah.
So this is a Skywatcher refractor, and then this is their very new. It's called the Wave 150i. So this is their new mount. It does both alt azimuth, and it also does equatorial. So it's like
And-
2-in-1.
Okay, and could you explain what those two are?
Well, equatorial, it aligns with our North Star, so Polaris. And then when you do an equatorial mount, you line it with the North Star and it can automatically track. Now with alt azimuth, I'm not that familiar with it because I've only been doing equatorial. In fact, this isn't my mount. I borrowed it today, and tonight I'm actually going to use it for the very first time.
Cool.
We're gonna try it out. I've been using my equatorial mount all weekend, and since it's my final night at the Grand Canyon Star Party, I'm gonna get to use this for the first time and try to learn something new.
That's so cool. This is your first telescope?
No, this is my 3rd telescope.
Okay.
So I used to have another refractor. It was the Orion AstroView, and then I
Okay.
wanted to use something better
Okay.
for my outreach in Florida. I wanted to get a bigger telescope and something that would wow audiences. And
Yeah.
so I linked up with Skywatcher, and now I use this telescope.
Okay. That's so cool. Thank you so much.
Of course.
Have fun today.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Anytime. Nice talking to you.
Sure, nice talking to you.